Hi, first grade. I'm here having a yummy sunflower seed snack, and I'm going to talk to you about the sunflower's life cycle and all plant life cycles, really. This story is called A Sunflower's Life Cycle, and it's written and illustrated by Mary Dunn. It has some really great illustrations in this book with a lot of photograph details that I'll be sure to show you. And also, I went out into my garden where I'm growing sunflowers, and I pulled a few parts of the sunflowers out of the soil to show you. So let's begin. A sunflower seed. Pop. Under the warm spring soil, a seed breaks open. It will grow to be a tall plant with yellow flowers. It is a sunflower seed. And there you can see it under the soil growing. The seed sends out roots. Roots push down into the soil. They take in water and minerals. A green shoot pokes out of the dirt. So here you can see the seed starting to come. You can see here the root poking through down into the soil and the seed popping up towards the sky. Now I found this stage in my sunflower seeds outside. And so I pulled it out of the ground, and you can see it still has the shell, the seed coat on. If I gently lifted this off, you'll be able to see the two green leaves inside the plant starting to emerge, starting to grow. And you can see little roots are beginning to form at the bottom. So that's the beginning. Sprouting leaves. The shoot becomes the plant's stem. The first leaves sprout from the stem. Leaves use water, sunlight, and air to make food for the plant. And there you can see the stem coming up out of the ground. And I found this stage too in my pot. And here you can see the roots, the stem, and the two leaves starting to grow. So that is the stem, the baby plant growing. Would be that stage right there. Tiny hairs cover the stem. The hairs stop insects from climbing up the stem and eating the leaves. More leaves grow on the stem. So you can see those tiny little hairs up close, and the flower starting to grow at the top of the stem. Growing tall, the stem grows taller and taller. Some may grow over 12 feet high. Wow. Green leaves called bracts form on the flower bud. So do you see those little leaves forming around the flower bud? Those are called bracts. As the bracts unfold, yellow flower petals poke out. The petals open and the flower head grows bigger. I love these great detailed photographs. Blooming flowers. Some flower heads have hundreds of tiny florets. Florets are covered with pollen dust. Bees land on the bright florets. So you can see the florets are not the petals, but this inside part here that has the pollen. And in our diagram, I drew that as the outer ring of the sunflower disc. Bees land on many sunflowers, spreading pollen among the florets. Florets have tiny ovules. Pollen and ovules form new seeds. There's a bee landing and pollinating the sunflower. In the fall, some sunflower seeds are harvested. Other seeds fall to the ground. They will grow into new plants in spring. There you can see a picture of the dying sunflower. See how it's bent over and dried? And then it's time to harvest the seeds. So this book had a lot of information about sunflowers and the life cycle, and you can also look at our chart behind us and hopefully complete your own sunflower life cycle for homework. Thank you for listening. Bye.